Our final English test starts with a prepared speech that you already sent through to me via WhatsApp. So I will just fill in the rubric of the speech that you sent through to me. I think it was week 6 or 7. I'm not sure. I'll go have a look. But you have already done this. When it comes to sight words, I would like you to not have your child prepare them too well in advance because they memorize them, which doesn't necessarily indicate to me if they understand the word or not. So let them look at it once or twice, and then let them read these sight words, see which ones they know, which ones they don't, and try and ask them out of order. Last week, Monday, I asked you to send me a recording of your child reading their reader, which they had prepared at home. And this is the rubric that I have filled in accordingly. So that has already been done. At question 1.21, we will do long-term recognition of the U blend. So I've given you 3 examples there: bus, cup, and nut. And the kids have to think of the words and the blends that we learned this term and write down 5 words for me in the box provided below. Compound words is when we take words, individual words that can stand alone, and we combine them to make a new word. Now, if your little one struggles with this, take the first picture on the left, cow, and then work through the column on the right. Cow, fly. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Cowboy, yes, that makes sense. Butter, and then work through it like that. So you'll go to the next word, butterfly. Okay, that makes sense. So help them, if they struggle with this, to work systematically and work from the top down, and work through and match all the different pictures, even if they then have to make the nonsense words before they actually see what the real word is. Alphabetical order. If you remember how to assist your little one with this, is they have to circle the beginning letter of each word and then have an alphabet chart next to them, or if you can please write it out for them on a piece of paper. Circle the beginning letter of the alphabet and then write the words on the 4 lines and place them in alphabetical order. We then go on to 1.24, where they have to read a sentence. They are, and then there's a little picture and the kids are doing something, and they can describe the picture for me, tell me what the kids are doing by adding the correct verb. 1.25 for punctuation. They have to complete the sentence and rewrite the sentence that I wrote in the word blocks by fixing my mistakes. Fixing the way we start a sentence, the way we end a sentence, and names are important. How do we write a name? And then the very last assignment of this test is our digging letters. Letters that have their bodies on the grass line, and then dig underneath. You'll see the U is the start of the letter formation for Y. So that's why that's included. So each letter 5 times. Please remember finger spacing. And that concludes your last English test for the term.